I have to make a video. I have to make a video. Alright, here it is, the Get Some Flat Pack. Yes! Let's open this bad boy, see what's inside. Just have to figure out how to open it. Might be here a while. Ah ha ha, yes! What's inside the Get Some Flat Pack? Well, it's the Stretchy Man. The sticker pack with the surprise stickers, the floating coins. Look at those bad boys. I have to check those out. It's the plum treat that we saw in the video.
Oh, why is it liquidy? Oh.
Try it.
This is candy to them?
Japanese are weird.
Oh.
Alright, I'm doing the candy. I am not doing that now. It really smells bad. Like, I'm gonna swallow it.
Brave.
Without Mountain Dew. Hold on.
Kind of salty. Tastes like fish. That fishy kind of taste. Tastes like fish. Ooh, get some more sour candy here.
Not bad. Kind of unusual. Reminds me of like peaches and apricots and...
It's just 10 times, like 1,000 times better than that crap.
Get some more candy.
That makes me feel good. It's hard to rip off.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of like jelly.
Not bad.
Jelly, right?
Like really tough jelly.
Kind of tasty.
Yeah.
I would not put it on toast.
Look at that. In there. And of course, the rattlesnake eggs. That is a lot to fit in that Get Some Flat Pack. Eric Surf 6, I just want to say thank you so much again for the Get Some Flat Pack. We're going to be having a lot of fun with the stretchy guy and the floating coins, especially the rattlesnake eggs. I just wanted to say thank you again from us here at the Skitsaphrenics, and get some.